Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back if you're returning. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. I hope you're all doing well and you're all enjoying your day and having a great week so far as well. So today's video, I'm bringing you a gift hamper set using items from various of the budget stores and really just focusing on Father's Day because as you may not know, or as you may do know, this Sunday is Father's Day. So what a better way to celebrate Father's Day. We've put in a few items together for my hubby and also to give you guys an idea of what you can actually pick up in the budget stores and put together to make up a gift hamper. Also, I'm excited to say that this video is also in collaboration with 3 other YouTubers who I've actually collaborated with before. We absolutely love collaborating. We all kind of bring something different to the table, but something very similar to the table, if you get what I mean. So first of all, we got the gorgeous Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life. On Marcia's channel, you can find her doing shopping hauls, come shop with me videos, and various other content that she brings to the table. Secondly, we have the gorgeous Emma from Emma's Lifestyle. On Emma's channel, you can find her also doing shopping hauls, come shop with me videos, and lots of lifestyle content also. And then you got the gorgeous Michelle Osgood. On Michelle's channel, also you can find her doing shopping hauls, come shop with me videos, DIYs, and lots of collaborations as well, and lots of lifestyle. And then you got me, of course, Amanda Oak Ince. So on my channel I come with a mixed bag of content, so you can find me doing shopping hauls also, come shop with me videos, lifestyle content, a bit of motherhood, and also I love a DIY, especially a Poundland DIY, okay? And also, of course, I love collaborations. So the 4 of us have come together yet again to bring you some amazing content and some amazing Father's Day gift hampers and gift ideas on a budget, I would say, because we're using items from our favourite stores. So I've got items from Poundland, Home Bargains. I think I've got a few items from like the card shop and all that kind of thing, Card Factory and so on. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to show you the items that I'm going to be using to make up my gift hamper. Some of them you may have seen before in my previous haul from the last couple of days. So yesterday I had a Poundland haul that went live and I showed you some items in my Poundland haul also purchased for Father's Day. So if I'm showing them again, please forgive me. There might be some people that haven't actually seen that video, so it's kind of gonna sort of jigsaw together of what I'm going to be making up as my gift hamper. Okay, so the first item is this tin. This is a man tin. It says on it, designated safe place to keep all of those pointless bits and pieces or bits and bobs. This is from Poundland and it only cost £1. Okay, next up is this apron. So I picked this up in Poundland as well. So it's really like a barbecue apron. It's got best dad ever on the front there. Then you have some pockets which say matches, so you can put the matches in there. You've got another pocket there to put a bottle of ketchup in, and then you've got another bottle there to put mustard in, and then here you got a pocket to put your mobile phone in, and also you got this big pocket here to put a bottle of beer in. So this is also from Poundland and it only cost £1. Okay, next up, I showed this also on my haul yesterday. This is a party banner and this is also from Poundland. So again, this says best dad ever on it. So you just put it together to create that bunting going across like so. To give you an idea of the size of the letters, they are quite big, you know, more or less the same size as my face, so they are quite big letters. Okay, so you're getting best dad ever in there and to make up as a bunting, and this is also £1 in Poundland. £1 in Poundland. £1 in Poundland. I also got some cellophane, so that's going to be to actually package up my my basket once I've put it all together. And this is also from Poundland. You get 10 meters of cellophane in there, clear cellophane. Actually, it's not clear, it's the background is clear, of course, and it's got like little white spots on it. So you get 10 meters of this in Poundland for £1. So I've got that as well. Okay, so next up is this mug. Now, the story behind this mug, I actually picked up this mug for hubby, but since I've got it, Oakley has been using it to drink his milk out of it and some of his juices. So I might actually go back and get 2 more of them because I like this myself as well. And then of course we've got the football season kicked in, so we can all be sitting down drinking our tea or whatever we're going to put in there all together, if you get what I mean. So that's also from Poundland and that's £1. Okay, so there's a little story behind this mug as well. This is actually from Home Bargains. It's an enamel mug. So my hubby likes to have his coffee outside, you know, in the garden, you know, in the morning before he goes to work. So we have actually lost quite a few of our cups from where they've just been propped up on, you know, on the side, and they're fallen down and they're smashed. So I got him this one also, which is an enamel cup. So if it falls, we don't have any problems of it breaking or anything. And this is from Home Bargains. I think this was £1.50 in Home Bargains. And I've got to say, all the budget stores were well stocked for Father's Day, you know, so still got time to go in there. Today's Thursday, so you still got time to go in there and pick up these items, you know, before they do go out of stock, and make up the same kind of hamper as I'm making, or as what the other ladies are going to be making as well. So that's from Home Bargains. Okay, so talking about the card factory, Oakley actually picked out this card for Daddy. It says, to the best dad on Father's Day, and then inside it's just got have a great day. This is just 59p in the card factory, so we got that as well. He also picked out another card, which was this one. It says, Daddy, I love you on the front of it, and then inside it says Happy Father's Day in there. That's also from the card factory, and I think that was around the same price, 59p. Okay, so also from Home Bargains, we picked up this for hubby. So it's like a cookie biscuit shaped in like a trophy kind of style. Could actually make this yourself if you wanted to as well. If you've got time, you know, you just do the cookie dough and you put a bit of icing on there as well. But you know, I think this was like £1 in Home Bargains, so just got it for fun really, and also to make up the hamper with. So that's a cookie there, and that was £1 or £1.50 in Home Bargains. I can't remember exactly, but no more than £1.50. So we got that as well. Okay, so next up in Savers, I picked up this for hubby. So this is beard shampoo. So sometimes hubby will grow a beard, you know, sometimes he has a beard, sometimes he doesn't. So I just got this. I also like the smell of it. This is by the brand My Beard. You know, it's called My Beard, you know. So it smells really lovely. It smells like you know, that aftershave kind of smell, very masculine. So I got this for hubby from Savers, and I think this was £2. I also picked up these, so you might have seen these on my haul yesterday as well, from Poundland. So you get 2 pens. One is shaped like a screw, like a long screw, and the other one is a spanner. So I've got him these so he can put both of them in his car, in the glove compartment, you know, and a little notepad as well to go with it. So yeah, so I've got him those, and that was also from Poundland, and that was just £1. Oh, the sun's starting to come out. That's really lovely. We woke up this morning to rain, heavy rain. You know, we've all been complaining how hot it's been in the last couple of days, and then we had rain last night. So it has actually cooled down everything. You know, I do feel a bit more comfortable. You know, I do love, don't get me wrong, I love the sunshine. I love having that natural vitamin D, you know. But, you know us Brits, we always complaining about the weather. You know, that's what we do best. But yeah, so the sun's starting to come out, so I hope it holds on to when I have to go and pick Oakley up for nursery, because this morning on the nursery run I literally got drenched. Back to this now. I'm also going to put one of these in the gift hamper for hubby, because he absolutely loves this product. This is a deep moisturizing charcoal foot pack. I mean, I use these as well, and they're just absolutely amazing, just to give yourself like a home, you know, pamper, a home pedicure, a home what, self-care, you know. So one of these is actually going to go into my self-care package as well, which I'm going to be bringing to you on my channel very shortly as well. So got that as well to go in there. And this is in Poundland and most of the budget stores as well, and they're normally like, you know, no more than £1, you know, you pay for these. So I've got one of those as well. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be putting these in. I've got these in Poundland, and these are chocolate poker chips. I just thought these were so good, you know. You know, you can get like the chocolate coins in the silver and the gold. They now doing the poker chips. So you might have seen this on my haul yesterday as well. Forgive me if I am showing these items again, but some people might not, you know, some people are coming from, you know, the other ladies' channels, and they might not have seen that video. So that's why I'm showing them again today. So I hope you can appreciate that, okay? So I got these from Poundland, and these are also £1. Okay, so next up for hubby, I picked up this polo shirt. It's a slim fit polo shirt, and this is from Lidl. Now I just absolutely love the design on there, the print on there. It's the palm leaf design, and it's actually got it's a palm tree design, but it's actually in like navy blue, so it'd go really nice with jeans, you know, denim jeans, or even like denim shorts. So I got this for hubby, and I think this was like £5.99 in Lidl. So I've got it in a size large for him. I hope it's going to fit. You know, he's normally like a medium. Got that for him as well. Excuse the background noise. I've got the window open because it is still quite warm in here. And we're near the park and someone's dog decides to bark right now, you know, and yeah, constantly barking. So absolutely fine, you know, it's a dog barking, quite natural, you know, it's probably just playing with another dog. So I'll let them get on with it. So yeah, so excuse that background noise. So I also picked up some Maltesers for hubby because he does absolutely love Maltesers. We will actually share these actually. Oakley likes them as well. I actually picked these ones up in Aldi and these were £2. So got those. I have to stop because the barking is continuing to go on and there's no leeway. There's no leeway here. So what I might do is close the window. So I'm back. I've closed the window. Okay, so I also got to put one of these in the gift hamper for hubby as well. This is from Aldi. It's a number 16 candle and it's in the scent Oud and Bergamot. Okay, so that's going to go in there. It smells absolutely gorgeous. You know, it's got 2 wicks in there as well. You know, I'm just going to put that in there because hubby also likes to have a relaxing bath every now and again. You know, so I would, you know, we get Oakley to sleep and we just have like a nice pampering evening. So I'm going to just put one of those in there because he does absolutely love this scent as well. So I've got that to go in there as well. So lastly, I'm going to put in one of my FM fragrances in for hubby as well. This is number 472. So this is a similar scent to Creed Aventus. And that's actually what this smells like as well. Yeah, that's what that smells like. It smells very similar to Creed Aventus, okay? So hubby absolutely loves it. He has the original one, which is actually wearing down. So I'm just going to put one of those in there for him as well, you know? So, yeah, so that's that. So now I'm going to put the gift hamper together and show you what it's all going to look like and then wrap it all up with a cellophane ready for Sunday for hubby to open it and be totally surprised of all the items that I picked up for him. Hopefully he's not going to be watching this video today unless he sees it by chance, you know. But I think most of the things he kind of got an idea of what I'm going to put together anyway. But, you know, it's just all fun and it's more like a token gifts from Oakley and myself to hubby, you know. So just giving you an idea that you don't actually have to spend the earth on Father's Day, just to show some appreciation, really, you know, that we love them and we love and care for them, really. So, yeah, so what I'm going to do now is put everything together and I'm going to take you along with me for that. I actually forgot to show you the basket that I'm actually going to be putting everything into. So this basket is from Home Bargains. It's part of their home collection, and this was actually £3.79 or £3.99 in Home Bargains. So I've got that. So it's going to be perfect to put all those items in, and then definitely for hubby's wardrobe afterwards, we can actually use this to like store some items in, because I'm going to be decluttering his wardrobe and getting it all nice for him as well for Father's Day. It's going to be part of my another little gift for Father's Day, but you know, something so simple, something as simple as that. I'm just going to organize his wardrobe and get everything all nice and organized for him. Okay, so back to the making up the basket now. Also, I might be using some of this wrapping paper. This has got palm leaf design on it. I actually got this in Lidl about 2 years ago. I've got a couple of rolls of this. This is when I was going to do, oh my goodness, it has to be, it was actually 2 years ago when I got this, because I was going to use this for Oakley's 2nd birthday. We did like Into the Wild birthday party theme for him, and I went against this and I used some polka dots instead. So I might actually use this, or I might use the polka dot. I've got some other wrapping papers sort of like lying around, you know, in my stash. So I like the palm tree design because that's much in now, and hubby also likes it as well. So I might just go for this and then put the cellophane around it. That will look really nice. Yes, so I'm going to put everything together now in the basket, and I'm going to take you along with me. I might put you on a time lapse for that as well, because I think this video is going to take up a little bit of time. But I might put you on a time lapse and then show you how everything looks afterwards. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Okay, so we've got the basket here, and what I've done, I've just scrunched up a couple of sheets of the wrapping paper, the palm tree wrapping paper, and just put it in there as a base. So I'm now just going to put some of the items in. So the candle's definitely going to go there. Then I'm going to put the perfume in, and then what I'm going to do, I'll put everything in and then I'll sort it all out properly, and I'm going to just wrap the cellophane on it, and then I'm good to go. So so yeah, I'm doing that now. So I hope you guys are all well and you're all enjoying your day and you've been enjoying this brilliant weather, this gorgeous weather that we've been getting in the UK. You know, it's been absolutely stunning. Even though today was a bit rainy, it's still nice, isn't it? You know. So yeah, I'm just doing this now for hubby, and I know all of these items that I'm putting in, he's absolutely gonna love it, you know, because normally we don't do a whole big thing for Father's Day. You know, Mother's Day is always like a big one, isn't it, really? But you know, COVID-19, we just have to appreciate everyone a bit more and our loved ones and so on and so on. So I thought, why not, you know? And it's also giving you guys a chance to see what you can put together as well for your, you know, it doesn't have to be for Father's Day. It could be for any occasion. You can put things together from various different stores and make up a wonderful hamper. You know, I've just done a couple of weeks ago. I did a lovely baby boy hamper for my cousin. She's expecting a little boy. We went to a baby shower. So you know, I know all the bits in there that she's absolutely gonna love it. She's already called me and said thank you so much for the hamper. You know, so I just absolutely love putting these together, to be fair with you. Okay, so I'm all finished. My Father's Day gift hamper looks absolutely amazing. I know hubby's gonna absolutely love it as well. Now, I can't wait to see what the other three ladies have brought to the table. I know they're going to bring something amazing because we all love like this kind of thing. We all love a little bit of crafts. We're all very, very artistic, you know. And I know they're going to bring something amazing, you know. So please do go ahead and check out the other ladies' channels. So you've got the gorgeous Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life. And you've got the lovely Emma from Emma's Lifestyle, and then you've got the gorgeous Michelle Osgood from Michelle Osgood's channel. There'll be a link to each of their channels in the description box below. So all you got to do is click on each of their channels and watch their videos as well and see what they've actually put together for Father's Day gift ideas. You know, it's been absolutely amazing collaborating with the other three ladies. I absolutely love them. We all support one another on our YouTube journeys, you know. Whether we've got a question, you know, I can sort of tap Michelle's shoulder and she'll give me an answer, or vice versa. And the same with Marcia and Emma as well. Absolutely amazing support from all of them, and I'm so grateful to have them in my life, you know. So yeah, so this is my Father's Day gift hamper here, and I think hubby's gonna absolutely be amazed with this. There's so much, it's got, you know, it's jam-packed with goodness in there, and I just love, I've just left it as like a, you know, sort of monochrome, but a little bit of green in there as well. So yeah, so that's that. So I would say the total of this hamper, I would say it's like about £30, including the perfume, of course, and the candles as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And if you're coming over from Marcia's or Emma or Michelle's channel, welcome over here. My name is Amanda, and I post weekly videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday. Okay, you get lots of lifestyle content like this, you know, DIYs, motherhood, a whole bag of content. Okay, so I'd love to have you as a subscriber and a viewer, and I appreciate you watching this video. So take care for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.